Okay, so this quite literally looks like someone just got sick on a page of maths, but it will make sense. Basically, I uploaded 3 videos earlier and it didn't have sound, so this is attempt probably around 7 today. If it doesn't work this time, I give up. So, measures of variability. The last day we did measures of average. So that measures of average are mean, mode, median. But we need to see range. The range in the class could be the top guy to the bottom guy. That's range. Okay? So that will be 44. Now, but if I wanted, what if one guy got 1%, one guy got 99%, and everybody else was between 50 and 60? It's not really great show of spread. Like, you want to see this as spread out? No, they're what we call outliers. When there's outliers, we don't use range. No outliers, we use range. Okay? When there is an outlier, we use interquartile range. So, quartile every quarter. So, here's data above, arranged in order. You have to arrange in order. Quartile 1 is a quarter, n plus 1. Okay, easy enough. N is the number of numbers there, there's 14. A quarter of 15 is 15 over 4, that's 3.75, so we get the third and the fourth. I wrote in reverse order for some reason. The third and the fourth is 2 and 3, add them together and divide by 2, that's 2.5. Q1 is 2.5. Q2 is the median actually, it's 2 over 4, which is a half, and we can do that already. So let's not waste time on that. Q3 is 3 over 4 because it's the third quartile. 3 over 4, 14 plus 1, that's 11.25. So it's 11th and the 12th, which are, ironically, in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11 and 12. Divide by 2, that is a lovely 2 there, and that's 11.5. So the interquartile range, that's how you get Q1, Q3. It's Q3 minus Q1, and that's 11.5 minus 2.5, which is 8. This is absolutely crucial. I can't put enough emphasis on it, how crucial it is. Now, standard deviation. Pretty simple. I'm going to zoom this right down because my writing is awful here. So, 6, 9, 10, 12, and 13. If we need to get the mean, we add them all up, divide by the number on the bottom, that's 10. Now, here's the formula. Oh, I won't move that. Here's the formula for standard deviation. Standard deviation is basically saying how far away from the average it is. Okay? You don't need to know much about standard deviation, you just need to be able to apply it. So, it's like an O and an OR combined. So, it's the square root sigma x minus the mean. X with the hat above it is the mean of the sample. Squared over n. N is the sample size. So, you go 6 minus the mean, 10. 9 minus 10, 10 minus 10, 12 minus 10, 13 minus 10. Add them all up and square them. All over 5. Okay? If you do that, put down your calculator, you get square root 6, which is 2.45. That's all there is to it. It will never change. You cannot mess it up. Okay. Page 392. It's question 128. That's your homework. I hope you're going to have to just stop and go back a few times on this, but I don't think this is going to be hard. This is Monday's work.